Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play your favorite EA games through Steam. First, you'll need to have both a Steam account and an EA account ready. It's also crucial to install the EA app on your computer, as it acts as a necessary bridge for many EA titles. Make sure both Steam and the EA app are fully updated for the best experience. The next step is linking your accounts, which is a straightforward, one-time process. Simply launch any EA game from your Steam library for the very first time. The EA app will then automatically open and guide you through linking your Steam and EA accounts. You'll just need to log in with your existing EA account details or quickly create a new one if you don't have one yet. Once your accounts are successfully linked, launching your EA games becomes quite simple. You can now launch any EA title directly from your Steam library, just like any other Steam game. The EA app will automatically run quietly in the background to validate your game license. After this quick check, your game will seamlessly start, combining the convenience of Steam with EA's platform. Keep a few important points in mind for a smooth gaming experience. Game updates for your EA titles are primarily handled by the EA app, so occasionally check it for the latest versions. Be aware that some anti-cheat systems might sometimes cause minor compatibility issues. Also, a consistent and stable internet connection is always necessary for initial game validation and online play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.